everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Cuckoo Cook. This is your girl Anupriya, and today we will be making chocolate orange cookies. It is citrus season, and what better way to eat your fruits than in cookies? I'm kidding, but it is citrus season and I love to use citrus fruits in my recipes. And these cookies are a perfect blend of chocolate and orange zest infused dough with a rich orange and white chocolate ganache. So whether a festive dessert, a comforting snack, or a special treat for your loved ones, they are perfect for satisfying chocolate cravings. So let's put on our aprons, grab our mixing bowls, and let's get cuckoo cooking. Here are the ingredients for our cookies. Feel free to pause the video to get them all together. I will also provide the link to this recipe in the description, so feel free to check the website for the recipe instructions. First, we will start by making our orange infused sugar. Let's start by adding 1 cup of granulated sugar to our bowl. Next, we will grate the zest of 1 medium-sized orange in it. Now, we will rub the orange zest into the granulated sugar to get that maximum citrus flavor. And once we have done that, our orange infused sugar is ready. Now, we'll get started on our cookie dough. First, we will add a cup of butter, approximately 8 ounces, to a bowl. Next, we will microwave the butter to melt it. You can melt the butter on stovetop, but I'm lazy, so I'm just going to microwave it. Using melted butter results in fudgier cookies. Plus, it is easier to mix the sugar and the cocoa powder in the melted butter. Now we will add half a cup of brown sugar, followed by 1 cup of our orange zest infused granulated sugar. Next, we will mix the butter and sugars together till the mixture looks nice and pale. Now we will add 2 eggs to our bowl. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk and half a teaspoon of coffee, which have been mixed together, to our bowl. This step is optional. You can skip it if you do not want to add coffee to your cookies. Now we will whisk everything together till it all comes together. Now we are adding a cup of cocoa powder to our wet ingredients. Adding the cocoa powder at this stage makes the cookies more fudgy and gives them an almost brownie-like texture. Once again, we will whisk everything till no lumps remain. Now let's get our dry ingredients together. In our bowl, add 2 cups of flour. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt to our bowl, followed by half a teaspoon of baking soda. And now we will give the dry ingredients a quick mix to evenly distribute everything. Let's add these to our wet ingredients. Next, we will mix our dough till it just comes together. Do not overmix the dough, as it will cause gluten to develop and make our cookies tough instead of soft and fudgy. And once the dough has been mixed, we will chill it for 30 to 40 minutes. Towards the last 5 to 10 minutes, we will fire up our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now that our cookie dough has chilled, we will take approximately 1 tablespoon worth dough, roll it, and press it to form cookies. You can skip this step if you want. I do it as it gives uniform looking cookies. A standard cookie dough scoop will approximately give the same size of cookies. We will place these cookies in the oven and we will bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the cookies are baked, place them on a wire rack to cool completely for the ganache drizzle. While our cookies are cooling, let's get started on our orange ganache. In a bowl, add 4 ounces of white chocolate. In another bowl, add 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, we will grate the zest of one medium-sized orange in it, and then we will microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds. You can do this step over the stovetop, but remember we are only scalding the cream and not boiling it. Now that it is nice and hot, we will add some orange food coloring to the ganache. You can skip this step if you don't want to use food coloring. I like to add food coloring to the cream as it makes the ganache more vibrant and bright. Now mix it so that no streaks from the color remain and the oils from the orange zest mix evenly. Using a strainer, we are now pouring the hot cream over our white chocolate. Let the chocolate and the cream sit for a few minutes. The hot cream will melt the chocolate and make it easy to mix everything. And now mix, mix, mix till no lumps remain, and let it cool a bit so it is not runny and has cooled to this thick single ribbon consistency. Now let's drizzle our cooled ganache over the cookies. And there you have it, folks, my chocolate orange cookies. These are so fudgy, soft, and chewy. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments if you tried these cookies and what you liked or did not like. And if you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.